Hello everyone, welcome to Management Kaksha, a one-stop solution for all your management queries. We are continuing with the organizing series. To watch the previous video on principles of organizing, click on the link above. In today's video, we'll be discussing the organizational structure and its importance. Important questions for this topic will be shared at the end of the video, so hang in there. Organizing creates and maintains rational relationships between human, material, financial, and informational resources by indicating which resources are to be used for the specified activities and also when, where, and how they are to be used. The organizing function leads to an organizational structure which defines precisely the authorities and responsibilities. Organization structure is the pattern of relationships among various components or parts of the organization, which prescribes the relations among various activities and positions. Organizational structure aligns and relates parts of an organization so it can achieve its maximum performance. According to Peter Drucker, organizational structure is an indispensable means, and a wrong structure will seriously impair business performance and may even destroy it. Organizational structure is the method by which work flows through an organization. It allows groups to work together within their individual functions to manage tasks. The organizational structures have evolved since the 1800s. Frederick Taylor's scientific management theory optimized the way tasks were performed, so workers performed only one task in the most efficient way. To check out a detailed video on scientific management theory, click here. In the 20th century, General Motors pioneered a revolutionary organizational design in which each major division made its own cars. Today, organizational structures are changing swiftly from virtual organizations to other flexible structures. Key elements of organizational structures. 5 key elements create an organizational structure. These are job design, departmentation, delegation, span of control, and chain of command. Departmentation refers to the way an organization structures its jobs to coordinate the work. Span of control means the number of individuals who report to a manager. And chain of command refers to a line of authority. Importance of organizational structures. There is a clear definition of authority-responsibility relationship which facilitates better understanding of the objectives and policies of the enterprise. Organizational structure lays down both channels and the patterns of communication. It facilitates proper administration. It helps to coordinate the activities of the component parts in order to facilitate the realization of the goals of the organization. It helps in growth and diversification of activities of an organization. Implementation of policies and the achievement of goals becomes easier. It prevents duplication of functions and makes it possible to achieve maximum production with minimum efforts. Thus, to achieve these benefits, an organizational structure should be designed well with care. The following factors are to be considered in designing an effective organizational structure. Environment. It is an important factor affecting the organizational design. It would consider the impact of customers, suppliers, competitors, legal and political changes, and cultural and economic conditions. Technology. It is a combination of tools, techniques, and know-how and has a major influence on organizational structure. The design of the organizational structure would depend upon whether the technology is simple and routine, requiring a few repetitive tasks. Size of the organization. The size of the organization also affects the organizational structure. A big size of organization may increase the number of functional departments, number of managerial levels, and number of employees with diversified responsibilities. Strategy. According to Alfred Chandler, strategy has a definite influence on the structure. Summing it up, in this video we have covered what is an organizational structure, key elements of organizational structure, importance of organizational structure, and factors to be considered while designing the organizational structure. Important questions for this topic are: organizational structure is an indispensable means, and a wrong structure will seriously impair business performance and may even destroy it. Elaborate. Answer would be the importance of organizational structure. Question number 2. Why is the formal structure and design important to an organization? Here explain the importance of organizational structure. Same topic can be asked in different ways. Just read through the question carefully before answering. In the next video, we'll discuss the types of organizational structures, so stay tuned. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such content.